but it's okay. You want to know why it's okay? I can tell you why it's okay. Do you want to know why it's okay? 'Cause it's spooky time! Get you a diaper! 'Cause it's spooky time up in here! Spooky time! Okay, I like that music you got going in here. What's up? How you doing, sir? Good evening. Do you have any rooms available? His name's Marcos. Good evening, sir. Yes, we have a few rooms available. I would like to stay for the night. How much does it cost? 30 something per night. But if you book more than one night, it's 25 per night. That sounds like a good deal. But it sounds like a scam at the same time. Chat, what is that compared to normal like US currency? Okay. That's a nice discount, but I will only stay for tonight. Thank you. You don't look well. A rough day? Don't you ever talk about me like that again. I'm a customer here. A tiring day. I've been driving for many hours. And what brings you to such a remote place? I'm investigating some disappearances in the area. Yeah, we're a detective because that's the name of the game. I've heard something about that. Are you a police officer or a private detective? Maybe that's too many questions. I should be the one asking. Oh, we out-auraed him. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to bother you. I'm just very curious. Don't worry. Ha ha! I was joking. I'm a police officer, but for now, you're not a suspect. Wait, we're a cop? Yo, make sausage with the 5. I'm glad to hear that. Ha ha. Here's your key. It's room number 18. I need your name and ID number. Don't you dare dox yourself right now. My name is... Oh my God! You are doxed! GG! All set. Thank you very much, sir. Have a good night. By the way, my name is Marcos. If you need anything, I'll be here all night. Also, don't go out at night. There are many wild animals in this area, and also a lot of superstitions. Room 18, let's get it. Okay, we're in room number 18. I wonder if that's on the second floor or the first floor. Wait, this door is wide open. Is this it? Wait, why this door wide open? Wait, what? Is this like a storage room? Am I supposed to be in here? Ooh, I don't think we supposed to be in here. Yeah, let me get out. Ooh, what y'all got cooking now? Nothing? Okay, that's cool. Wait a minute, I saw something. It was letting me interact with something there. What was it? We'll never know. Wait, there's people arguing? I thought they was just talking. This really ain't none of my business. I mean, I know we're a cop and everything, but this ain't none of my business. Was that van here last night? Hey, who down here arguing? I'm trying to sleep, man. Where y'all at? Hey! What y'all arguing about? What's good, big dog? What they arguing about? You don't know? Okay, I'll go. Good morning. What's going on? And who are you? I will knock you out here. I don't know who you think you are talking to. I'm a police officer. Calm down and tell me what happened. This is crazy. We can't get out of here. There's no way. What do you mean? Are you not listening to me? You can't go out. The cars don't work. There's no coverage or electricity. This fog doesn't let you see anything. We're far from any town. So he's trying to say every car in the parking lot just went off? Sir, I've already told you to calm down. I'm sure we'll get service back soon. It's probably just a network issue. Somebody hit us with an EMP. In the cars? Why won't the cars work? Salvatore, there has to be an explanation. Just calm down. I'm perfectly calm. Don't tell me what to do. All right, but I won't repeat myself. Facts. Is that Liker? Icar? Mr. Icar, last night it was a warning from the authorities on the radio. In the notice they talked about a big stone. They recommended not leaving the house. Perhaps this electrical failure was due to the storm, but the thing about the cars is strange. Wouldn't an EMP also take out cars too because it's electronic? Somebody hit us with an EMP. Well, we have to wait then, Marcos. Are there emergency supplies? Do you have any working phones? Yes, sir. There's enough food in the kitchen for a few days. I have a corded phone connected to a small emergency generator, but it doesn't work. It makes a strange noise. You notice how you said, yes, sir, I'm the alpha of this whole group. And I just got here last night. I'm the leader now. I done took over. I'll try using it. He's in the office, sir. You might as well ask all the motel guests. Bro, can I... You ever talk to me sideways again, I'ma have you eat in that chair. You understand me, big dog? I promise you don't want no smoke with me. Yeah, that's right. Talk to the guests and try to use the office phone. There's a list of guests in the office. They will be near your rooms. Let me go find a list of guests real quick. In the notebook. Yeah, it won't let me, see. Let me talk to this dude real quick. Good morning. I'm Icar, a police officer. I'm talking to all the guests to see if they need anything. Fabio. Hello, I'm Fabio Carrillo. Something's wrong. Can you feel it? What do you mean? Ban the guy that said you if you shave. Like, get this dude out of here expeditiously. Okay? Like, instantaneously. I don't know how to explain it. There's something strange in the air, in the atmosphere. Okay, Fabio, we're all a bit worried. We don't know what happened, but it's likely that the storm has affected more than we thought. No, sir, it wasn't the storm. It's this place. I knew I shouldn't have come here, but last night I was so hungry. So hungry. It was unbearable. Unbearable? How long had you gone without eating? I had eaten a couple of hours earlier. It was when I got close to this place that my hunger started to grow. Fabio, we don't know how long we're gonna be isolated in this motel. We should ration the food and water. Don't worry, sir. I won't touch the food. You can trust me. Once I arrived, the hunger disappeared. Cap. Yo, Ash with the 10. W Ash with the 10. If you feel that strong hunger again, let me know. I wouldn't want to have to lock up the kitchen. One more thing. What did you mean when you said you shouldn't have come here? People talk, sir. There are many legends about this place. Disappearances, strange things, supernatural creatures. We have a lot of respect for this place. Why can't they drive to the store? Did you just get here? Christy with the 5. The cars don't work and the cell phones don't work. I don't believe in those things, but thanks for the warning, Fabio. I understand, sir, but I can't say the same. All right, goodbye, Fabio. Let's go talk to the people in room number 2 real quick. Why am I the one walking around checking on people, see if they need anything? What do I look like over here walking around helping people? I don't want to help nobody. What you looking at, Bubba? That's what I thought. And I'm about to go in your room. You ain't gonna do nothing about it. What you looking at? And I'm about to take a dump in y'all's bathroom. You keep playing. Hello. Good morning. Are you Nicholas's wife? Good morning. For you, maybe. Yes, unfortunately, I am the wife of that idiot. My name is Maria. Wow. She said, unfortunately. Ooh. Unprofessional cop. Hey, you know, I'm doing my job. I don't think it's a good time to talk. Neither now nor ever will be a good time. So start talking or leave. I don't care. Calm down. I'm here to help. What do you want? Yo, Maria, you need to calm down. Your husband told me your phones aren't working. Is that right? If my husband already told you, why are you asking me again? No, the phones aren't working. Neither the car nor the lights. This is a mess. Why does she got such an attitude, man? I understand you're upset, but it's not my fault. Facts! Why don't you go bother someone else? I'm not in the mood for questions. Good morning. I'm the police. I'm trying to find a working phone. Good morning. I'm Nicholas. Sorry, but neither my phone nor my wife's is working. Oh, I know. Trust me. I talked to her. Do you need anything? We don't know how long we'll be stuck here. I like it. Like what? Have you seen that woman? I think her name is Alina. She's gorgeous. I don't mind being stuck here with her. Dude, your wife's right there behind you in the room! Didn't you say you were with your wife? Yes, my wife is fine for a while, but you always need something more, don't you think? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna go talk to somebody else. Don't you have Alina's number? I'm sure you want something with, yo, Nicholas, you need to, oh my goodness. This is not a joke. We could be in a really serious situation and you're only thinking about extramarital affairs. I'm him. I like to enjoy life. You should try it. Do whatever you want, but don't make things harder for me. I don't want any fights or arguments. We're all already too nervous. I can't promise anything. Wow, that dude. Almost everybody we've run into so far has been just pretty much evil, except for Fabio. And Fabio was cool. Excuse me. Good morning. My name is Ikar. I'm a police officer. I'm talking to the guests to see if anyone needs anything. Why am I being so nice? Ask that witch. Have you spoken to her yet? She's from the Belches family. I'm sure she has everything she wants. Have you seen how she dresses? Why is that some people are so lucky and some others are unlucky? A witch? What's your name? Felicia Hamill. Doxed. Felicia, I'll decide what matters and what doesn't. Oh my goodness! Yo, we moving crazy out here! Right now, it's important for you to tell me if you need anything. Stuck? Why? Well, it seems that the vehicles are not working and the roads are closed because a big storm is approaching. Does your phone have any coverage? Now that you mention it, I don't have signal. I thought it was just because we're in the middle of nowhere. And how is it possible that the vehicles ain't working? How is that possible? My car worked perfectly last night and now it doesn't? What sense does that make? Do I look like I know everything, Felicia? I don't. Right now, I don't know anything. I'm surprised too. In 2024, is it really possible to communicate with anyone? In places this remote, when the weather's bad, it's pretty common to lose communication. All right, I'm done talking to you. We talking about a whole bunch of nothing right now. All right, who's next? It's 2025. Well, yeah, this game probably took place in 2024, though. A blast from the past. All right, who else we talking to? Not gonna lie, I'm tired of talking to people. Golly. Anybody up here we gotta talk to? Who's this over here? Hey! How you doing? Good morning. This Alina right here. Hello, I'm Alina. I hope you have a good reason for bothering me. Dude, why is everybody so rude, bruh? Are you busy? I'm just asking around to see if anyone has a cell signal or needs anything. I'm not busy, I'm annoyed. In 1 hour, I should be closing an important deal. And instead, I'm stuck here. And no, I don't have any signal. I understand, Elena. Or is it Elena or Alina? Probably Elena. Alina, I don't know. We all want to get on with our lives, but that's not possible. Do you need anything? Are you a philanthropist or something? Let's just say my job requires me to help people. It don't require all this right here. This is ridiculous. We over here running around like we're the caretaker of this place. I'm off duty. I see. Can you get me out of here? If I don't make it to the meeting, I'll lose a good deal. Obviously not. All right, how much? How much what? How much money will it take for you to change your mind? Bribing a law enforcement officer is a crime. I'll pretend I didn't hear that. What a nerd! Just say $1 million. She's rich. Wow, the one honest cop, and I get locked in with him. All right. I'm gonna go. Okay. Try to use the office cell phone. Let's go do that. Yeah. All right, I'm about to find out who's knocking on my door. This late, this aggressively. Who is it? Felicia. No need to knock so hard on the door. What's going on? Something's happened. What do you mean? The receptionist, Marcos, has locked himself in the office storeroom, and he won't come out. What? Really? I'll go talk to him. But that's not all. Salvatore's car, that nice blue one at the entrance, is wrecked. Deserved. That dude is a goober. Deserved. Not gonna lie. Now, it's creepy how it's wrecked when you can't drive it, but deserved. Maybe like a meteor came down and hit it or something. I don't know. What do you mean by wrecked? What's wrong with the car? Wake up, it's wrecked. It's like something really big stepped on it. Didn't you hear the crash? Salvatore's furious. Nobody cares about Salvatore's emotions. Salvatore is a loser, and he is mean. I better go see what happened. Oh my goodness! Oh wait, no, that ain't good. What is that? What did this? Docs, what is that, a death claw? But in more important news, we gotta see what's wrong with Marcos. He's been the one guy that we can pretty much trust so far. What's good, Salvatore? Hate to hear about your car. The cop again? You better do your job right this time. What happened? Have you seen my car? It's wrecked. It must have been Marcos, no doubt. I don't know how, but he's involved. I'm gonna find out what happened. Yeah, I'm sure Marcos transformed into a giant creature and put a giant gash in the front of your car, buddy. Officer, I swear it wasn't me. Look, you're scaring him. He's locked in there, dude. Okay, Marcos, it's fine. Come out and explain what happened. I promise nothing's gonna happen to you. I can't. It's gonna come back for sure. What is? Come out, you coward. What did you do to my car? If you don't stop escalating this situation, I'm gonna escalate it to an astronomical level that it's never gonna come back down. Shut your mouth! Gotta close this door. It's getting cold. You better shut your mouth, Salvatore! This dude Salvatore's a goober! Calm down. Let him explain. I don't really know what I saw. It was like a dark shadow. It moved really fast. It jumped on the car and disappeared. He's making that up, not gonna lie. What nonsense are you talking about? Marcos, can you give me a more detailed description? What you're saying sounds strange. I can't, officer. It was like a shadow. I don't know anything else. I ran and locked myself in. You all should do the same. Can an animal do that to a car? An elephant could, but I don't think it was an elephant. A bear could not, a bear is not heavy enough to jump on a car and make the wheel fall off. That is no, it's not. An elephant could probably walk over a car and make a wheel pop off of it. A bear could not. Yes, it is. You're all dumb. What if he's right? Maybe that animal will come back. What do you mean a wild case? What are you talking about? Never underestimate a bear. I'm not underestimating a bear. There is not a bear on this planet Earth that is heavy enough to walk on top of a car and be so heavy that the wheels pop off. That's simple, just physics. Yeah, a bear could walk up to a car and rip a tire off, but the sheer weight of it being on top of the car would not happen. You're welcome. That's false? Okay. It's more likely that whatever it is, it's more scared of us than we are of it. I doubt it'll come back. Why are we just lying up in here? I sure hope so. Look for clues in Salvatore's car. Can you go somewhere, Felicia? Like, you want attention so bad. Yeah. Car's pretty messed up. These scratches have gone through the sheet metal of the car. Can an animal do this? What kind of animal could it be? A death claw. Not gonna lie, a death claw had to be. The impact was so strong that the door fell. Yeah, definitely a bear could have done that for sure, bud. This is evidence. A dirty piece of cloth? That's evidence. Yo, I don't know what kind of ops Salvatore has, but this dude needs to go hide in a bunker somewhere. Because, bruh, not only is that happening to him, he's got everybody here stuck here and we can't leave. Yo. This is very strange. I don't think an animal or person could do something like this. So what happened? I don't know. What if we ask the others to see if anyone saw something? Exactly. Someone must have seen that thing. You know who's been doing nothing but looking out the window directly beside the car the whole time? Fabio! If there was a witness, it would be Fabio. He's been standing at that window for 2 straight days, bruh. No jokeski. What's good, Nicholas? I'm questioning y'all to see if you can understand, see if I can understand what happened. I don't know what happened. I was too focused on admiring the beauty of the place, if you know what I mean. Yo, you are filthy. You are actually filthy, you disgusting mongrel. You are like actually filthy, man. Oh my goodness, you are oh my goodness, you are filthy. Lord have mercy. You need to be locked in a room, dude. Like, dude, is that all you're thinking about? You didn't see or hear anything? I assure you, if it had been a woman who wrecked that car, I would even know the color of her eyes, as long as she was beautiful, of course. This dude is like, you're like, dude. This dude needs to be in jail. Dude, you are creepy. Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Did you see anything, Maria? Or can I ask you some questions? I haven't seen or heard anything. Of course you haven't, Maria! Oh my God. This is a dream. This has to be a dream. Oh my goodness, Marcos is dead! No! One of the 3 people that were sufferable is now dead. Now there's only 2 of them. No way.